Hey guys, today on Know Your Produce we're going to try baby bananas. They should be richer, creamier, and a thinner skin than a regular banana. So here is a baby banana. They are called many different names. I'll bring them close up so you can see. So you can see these bananas are nice and yellow. When you get baby bananas, they're usually going to be green, and you're going to want to let them sit on your countertop for a few days just so they can ripen. Now, I will say that baby bananas are more expensive than regular bananas, and that is because they have a limited demand, whereas regular bananas, everybody has them in their household. Not everybody is going out and getting baby bananas, but they are really delicious. I will say I really like the small size. People think they're perfect for tiny kids, but they are perfect for everybody. Here it is compared to a banana that I purchased that is a regular banana, and I actually purchased my bananas pretty small, so that is on the smaller end. It is extremely easy to peel a regular banana because they have a thicker peel, but when it comes to baby bananas, it can be a little tricky. So most of the time I usually end up cutting it off, but I'm doing it by hand for you guys. You can see here. So I'm gonna give it a taste. I love baby bananas. They're actually creamy, super sweet. I'm getting so much creaminess, and I don't have to get it brown. It has a really nice banana flavor. So now, aside from size and a thinner peel on the baby banana, you're going to really notice that the baby banana is very vibrant. It is a nice, deep golden yellow. When you look at a regular banana, a Cavendish, it is very mild and muted. The baby banana was much sweeter than a regular banana. I felt like it was almost more acidic, the regular banana. So if you love really sweet bananas, you should really try out baby bananas. They're delicious. We have a full post that I'll link below, and we'll see you guys soon with another delicious tip or a recipe. Bye guys.